How can I use POV TikTok videos to engage my audience and increase my following?
Hello, TikTok creators. In today's video, we're diving into the exciting world of POV TikTok videos. We'll explore how to use them to engage your audience and skyrocket your follower count. Let's get started.
What are POV TikTok videos?
POV TikTok videos, or point-of-view videos, are immersive clips where the creator simulates a certain situation or story from a first-person perspective. The viewer assumes the role of a character in the story, making for a unique and engaging experience. It's like stepping into the shoes of a character in a mini-movie.
How can POV TikTok videos increase engagement?
The key to increasing engagement with POV videos is creating relatable and engaging scenarios. Viewers are more likely to interact with your content if they feel personally involved or connected to it. An emotional or surprising twist can also spike interest, leading to more shares and comments. Here are some steps to make your POV videos engaging. 1. Understand your audience. Research what your audience relates to and enjoys. 2. Plan your story. Outline a narrative that is easy to follow, intriguing, and evokes emotions. 3. Execute it well. Use effective camera angles, lighting, and props to enhance the immersive experience. 4. Prompt engagement. Encourage your audience to like, share, comment, or follow with a call to action.
How can POV TikTok videos increase your following?
To increase your following, make your POV videos shareable and follow-worthy. This involves 1. Creating original content. Your unique style and stories will help you stand out and attract followers. 2. Utilizing trends and challenges. Incorporate trending music, challenges, or memes into your POV videos to reach a wider audience. 3. Consistency. Regularly posting high-quality POV videos will give viewers a reason to follow you.
Some successful POV TikTok examples.
To give you some inspiration, here are some popular POV TikTok scenarios. 1. Fantasy stories. Imagine being a character in a fantasy world or supernatural scenario. This offers a fun escape from reality. 2. Everyday life. Simulate common situations that people experience daily, making your content highly relatable. 3. Historical or futuristic scenarios. Place your viewer in a different time period, sparking curiosity and wonder. In conclusion, POV TikTok videos are a powerful tool for audience engagement and follower growth. By creating immersive, engaging, and shareable content, you can connect with your viewers on a deeper level. Remember, the more relatable and captivating your content, the more likely it is to resonate with your audience and boost your TikTok following. Happy creating!